Today, from the shadow of the famous Carousel Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland, we are cooking charcoal on the kettle grill. But first, I'll explain that in a minute. I want you to see this this Weber Kettle cover from Classic Accessories on Amazon. This sucker is 11 bucks. It's canvas, heavy duty. It's got handles. It's got ties on the bottom. So let me reveal the this Weber Kettle hybrid grill I was talking about. There she is. This is the this is the Crimson standard kettle with all the hardware from the Weber special edition that they came out with. If you guys know Weber kettles, they did this cherry red special edition that was just a big fail. The paint jobs were crappy, but you know what was great about it? All the black hardware. So I stole the black hardware, the ash catcher, the wheels, the longer legs, even the handles, and even the little knob on the vent. I stole all of that from the special edition, and I put it on our beautiful Crimson. I guess I'll call her the Crimson Queen. Now there's a guy on YouTube, Tom Horsman, H-O-R-S-M-A-N. Search him out. He's got a copper kettle, which I think is beautiful too, and he calls it the Copper Goddess, I believe. So that's why I'm going with Crimson Queen here. Love these colors. I had a beautiful blue kettle that I sold on Facebook. Gosh, I wish I still had it. That would be my beater, but I don't, so oh well. Just might have to get another one just to play with. All right, so we're gonna cook some charcoal, burn off some oils, and come back. All right, so, and the reason I'm saying we're cooking charcoal is because I'm just going to prime this grill and burn off some of the factory crap and all the factory oils and stuff. Now I do have the upgraded kettle grate. I mean, just super thick stainless steel with a removable centerpiece, so you can add some Weber kettle accessories. But what we're going to do today is fire up the Crimson Queen. Yep. I think that's what she's going to be. I'm going to fire her up with some Kingsford cherry wood, because we want to get some nice cherry wood flavor in that metal of the grill. Ah, just kidding. That's not even a thing. I'm actually burning some black diamond charwood. So we're going to put that in the grill and burn off some of these oils. Be right back. Okay, I got the black diamond charwood in there. Just kind of a giant handful, just to burn off some of the oils from the factory. Put the lid back on. Love the we love the color of the Crimson, so that's what we wanted to go with. But I love the black hardware from the special edition. Ended up taking the other grill and sold it to one of my neighbors who is very happy with it and loves it. But we're happy with this too. So the Crimson Queen begins her summer journey. First day of summer comes soon, so I don't know what I'm going to cook next, but I just want you to see this beautiful, beautiful Crimson Weber Kettle. Okay, so we're just over an hour and the charcoal should be done. Okay, so in that hour we hit about 300 degrees, and I think we're going to call the charcoal done. Yep, we get in there. That charcoal is done. So now you know how long it takes to cook charcoal in a brand new Weber Kettle grill. I had a lot of fun with this. It's really, I'm just seasoning the grill, getting rid of the factory oils, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I love the color of this Crimson Queen and my hybrid modifications, and can't wait to cook some more on this. The first day of summer is coming up real soon, so going to have a lot more videos on this guy and our Weber, on our Weber gas grill and our pellet grill. But I think the kettle is still my favorite. And so now you know how long to cook charcoal on a new Weber Kettle grill, we are going to shut it down and call it done. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. And please subscribe and like the video.